Hello. Now we discuss the first acquired immunity, which is called the cell mediated immunity, and its short form is a CMI. Okay, CMI is the cell mediated immunity. So in this type of immunity is caused by the T lymphocytes. Okay, T lymphocyte. This type of immunity is caused by the T type of lymphocytes cells. Okay, or this immunity is called the cellular immunity because this type of immunity occur inside the cell or near the cell. Therefore, this type of immunity is called the cellular immunity. Okay, various types of T cells are present in the body, or these cells participate in the cell mediated immunity. Okay, so T cells are the helper T cells, suppressor T cells, killer T cells, and memory T cells. So there are the various types of T cells are present in the body. Okay, helper T cells, suppressor T cells. Helper T cells are also known as the T4 cell. Okay, these during the AIDS disease, virus of the AIDS means HIV virus infect the helper T cells, T4 cells. Okay, this is also known as the T4 cells, or suppressor T cells is also known as the T8 cells, killer cells, memory T cells. Different types of cells are present, and also effector T cells are present in the body. Okay, so now we discuss the mechanism of the cell mediated immunity, how this cell mediated immunity work on the body. Okay, so whenever any antigen come in the body, when any antigen enter into the body, so it is swallowed by the macrophages cells. Okay, macrophages cells now alert the antigen. These macrophages cells alert the antigen, or this mechanism is called the processing. Okay, this mechanism is called the processing, means when any antigen enter into the body, then these antigens are captured by the macrophages cells, or this process is called the processing, means capturing of the antigen with the help of the macrophages cells is called the processing. Okay, alerted antigen along with the macrophages means macrophages cells or antigen. Okay, macrophages cells and antigen given to the T lymphocyte. Okay, when macrophages cells or antigen is given to the T lymphocyte, then T lymphocyte become activated, and T lymphocyte recognize the antigen with its receptor and get attached to the antigen. Okay, now T lymphocyte is recognize the antigen and T lymphocyte is attached to the antigen. Now activation of T lymphocyte start when antigen is come in the contact of the T lymphocyte, then activation of the T lymphocyte is occur. Okay, or during the activation of the T lymphocyte, it convert into blast cells, and it produce many copies by the multiple division form the many daughter cells, or blast cells divide into many daughter cells by the multiple division and form the daughter cells. These daughter cells are called the effector cells. Okay, these daughter cells are also called the effector cells. Effector cells are the T cells. Okay, these cells secrete two types of chemical substances. These cells we can say these are the two types of cells. Okay, effector cells are the two types of DTHL cell or CTL cell. DTHL cell delay type hypersensitivity lymphocytes, or CTL full form cytotoxic T lymphocytes. Okay, so DTHL secrete a chemical substance which is known as the monokinase. Okay, DTHL secrete a chemical substance which is known as the monokinase, which destroy the antigen. Okay, and same as it is, CTL also secrete a chemical substance which is known as the lymphokinase, or it also kill the antigen. Okay, so this is the cell mediated immunity. Next we discuss about the antibody mediated immunity or humoral immunity. Okay, thank you.